y'all. Twila Cole, aka Sister Cole. Good evening. How are you guys doing? All right, so I stopped at Dollar Tree today, and just to pick up a couple of stuff that I needed to do, like a little project. Not really a big major project, but just a little project for my book event slash birthday event that I'm having. Maybe I'll show you guys what I did with that. Just it was nothing big. It's just a little something, something. But anyway, while I was in there, they had put out some of their Christmas stuff, and as you guys know, you have to do your Christmas shopping. As far as when it comes to decoration, you got to do it early, because if you don't, you're going to be lost in the sauce, because people who are out there buying Christmas ornaments and stuff, they get it early. So if you want like the pick of the if you want the best stuff, you have to really go early. All right, so anyway, when I was at Dollar Tree, they had just begun to put out some of their stuff. So as I told you guys in a previous video, if you watched it, my colors this year was like white, beige, gold, and then like just little pops of red. So when I looked over, lo and behold, guys, guess what I saw? I saw the exact colors that I needed. So I don't, have a lot, but I'm just going to show you guys what I did pick up. I also got this little basket there as well, just to keep my stuff in. But I may end up doing something with this basket too. I might create something. We'll see. If I do, I'll show you guys, okay? Oh yeah, look what I got on, y'all. I got my God is Dope shirt. That's fire, right? I had it made at on Amazon, but actually there's a place that you can actually get stuff, God is Dope stuff, clothing and stuff, but I didn't see that I didn't learn about that until after I had ordered this. But isn't it cute? Anyway, so look at what I got. So let's start. Look at this one right here, you guys. I hope that you can see. Isn't this, how cute is this? How cute is this? And this is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. I'm telling you. Looky. The Santa with the little head. This is so cute. I had to pick it up. So you guys see, it has my color, all my colors. I just can't wait to fix up my tree. I'm telling you, if I get excited enough, I might put my tree up before November the 1st. I'm telling you, don't be surprised, you guys. I might put my tree up before November the 1st. But look at this. This is fun. And I'm going to be taping everything. When I put up my tree, I'm going to let you guys see my decor. And I'm pretty sure that most of you guys probably don't put your stuff up that early. So I'll have my stuff up early, and so you can see it. And maybe it'll give you like some ideas, or maybe get you excited with your creative flow, right? But looky! Oh, so cute. All right, so I got that one. So this is the same. That was the same thing right there. Oh, yeah, that's the same thing. So look what I found, you guys. Look at this. Look at it. The little owl. Isn't that adorable? It is so cute. And it has like the little berries on the end. I mean, I could not resist. I could not. You guys hear me? I couldn't. It was just so perfect. It was like it was meant for me to go to Dollar Tree and to find these. And this is the same one as the one I just showed you. You guys, look at this. Get into it, honey. Look at this. Look. It's the sleigh. It's a sleigh, and it has the little pine and berry on the side. How cute is this? Come on, you cannot, you could not go wrong. I'm saying, you guys, you need to get on over to Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, go before all the stuff is gone, because people be on it. You guys, look at this, please. Please, honey, can we just look at this? And this is the cross. And it has like a little white, it has like a little sparkle piece on it. So this is, look at that. That one is like kind of glued on. And then this one over here, the one right here is kind of, I don't know if that was supposed to be glued or is it supposed to be dangly. But I hope one of you guys can see it. You see that? I could not resist, you guys. Wait till y'all see. Look at this one. This is the deer. Oh, the reindeer, and it has like the red bow and like little leaves, little green like leaves. Look at that. How cute. Come on, y'all. Let's get into it. Get into it, honey. How cute. You guys already know. Look, trust me. When I went over there, I made sure I put myself front and centered. I was like, no siree, Bob. Ain't nobody gonna get in front of me today. No siree, Bob. Look at this, y'all. Look how cute. Look how cute. Isn't that adorable? Adorable snowman head. With the hat. The little carrot nose. You guys, I was so excited. I was so excited. Okay, let me see. What is the other different one that I have? You guys saw that one already. Okay, look at this, y'all. Here's this one. The Santa. Let me turn it around so you guys can see it. How cute is that? How cute is that? Now, see, this was a steal, $1, because I've seen stuff like this in the other, in the other stores, and they wanted like $5 and $6 for them. So I picked it up. I picked it up, you guys, because I don't think that I could have gotten a better. Come on, $1. There's no way I would have gotten a better deal. All right, look at this one, you guys. This is the white one. This is the white reindeer. See? This is the white reindeer. Look at that with the red bow. How cute is it? How cute is that? Very nice. Very nice. I cannot wait. When I put up my tree, you guys, I cannot wait. Absolutely. I'm telling you, I don't even know how much I love. I just love the whole feeling of Christmas. I love the whole feeling of Christmas. I really do. I love how the house smells. I love the dinner that I'm going to cook, all the goodies that I'm going to cook, the hot chocolates that I'm going, the little hot chocolate, tea chocolate parties I be doing with my grandbabies. Look, y'all. Those are snowflakes. Isn't that cute? Yes, I love all of it. I love all of it. It just makes me feel so good, and to remember the birth of Christ. Yes, I'm just in love. And that's something I'm looking for too. I'm looking for a good nativity set. I haven't found one that I like yet, but I'm looking for a really nice one. Maybe you guys, if you see where they sell one, you can comment and let me know. Yes, I'm looking for a good nativity set. That's what I'm looking for now. Let's see. Do I have anything else different in here to show you guys? Yep, look at this one. I think, this owl is different from the other one. Look at this. How cute is it? You see it, guys? Look how cute. Look how cute. It's amazing. All right, guys. And look at this owl right here. And he has like a beige back. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep, so that's pretty much all the different ones that I got. And I'm going to show you some more. I haven't finished yet. Trust me. I have not finished yet. And I was going to wait until my other stuff came in. But then I was like, I can't wait. I'm so excited. I got to share this with somebody. So I decided to share it with you guys. So as my stuff come in, I will be showing it with you. But you know what? Comment and let me guys know how did you like my finds, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you have not, share and like, and make sure you put on the notifications so you know that when I come on. All right, so that's it for now, but I will be coming back to you soon with more. Mwah.